Hey, it's Kate with WTI. I have found the comfiest mattress. This is by Suiforlun and it is their 14-inch bamboo topped king size mattress. I am so happy with this mattress. I'm going to tell you my top things that I love about it. That 14-inch makes this mattress so soft and so lovely. It feels like it is giving you a hug. And the bamboo topper as well makes it so that the mattress stays cool. In fact, when you just touch it, you can feel it's cool to the touch. That is so important for me because I'm a hot sleeper. So this mattress is not one that's gonna heat up under my body weight. This mattress came in a box, and as soon as I opened it up, it popped open. It started fluffing right up to its full size. We gave it the 24 recommended hours to make sure that it was fully inflated after traveling, and it was perfect. This mattress has 7 layers and a hybrid gel memory foam. Let me tell you, you can feel that luxuriousness, and also you can see how wonderfully soft this is. It has a little reminder tag on it to help you to remember to flip your mattress during the different seasons, and also handles, which are so convenient if you have to move it. This mattress is so comfy and so luxurious. It has helped me to get a better night's sleep, and I am so grateful for that. So if you are looking for a lovely king size mattress that is going to make you feel like you are sleeping in the cloud and is super, super luxurious with a cooling bamboo topper, I highly, highly recommend checking this one out by Suiforlun. I think you are going to love it as well, but that's just my point of view.